Like sonxpiod 12-inch subwoofers in an enclosed box. Got Memphis pr1s in a, you see, a ported box, 12-inch subwoofers. What else is back here? We got brand new Rodfordfosgate 12-inch subwoofers in an enclosed box. Yeah. They pretty nice, pretty good speakers. Everything's brand new, as you can see. Pretty good speakers. I got gryphon, its alarm system, you know, auto start systems. Really don't know too much about these gryphon car alarm systems, but hell, I guess if they work, hell, you know, everything's still in the box. Look at those Memphis 12 pr1s. They some real good speakers. No, they ain't the Mojos, but they'll work. PRs, anything Memphis makes, you know, it's a plus. You know, fosgate, P1s, pretty good speakers, you know. sonxpiod, you know. They do a real good job if you just want some bass. They do a real good job. What else we got back here? Oh, got what's this? 4,000 watt Boss Outlaw. You know, 4,000 watts. You know. Sounds pretty good with the Memphis speakers. It's a mono block amp, so you know, I think it's Class D, you know. So really sound good with the Memphis 12s. I hooked them up just to hear how they sound, and it sounds pretty fucking good. Yeah, here's a pretty good amp. It's 2,000 watt audiopipe. You might be sleeping on audiopipe because this is a 4-channel, 2,000 watt. Comes with the bass remote. You know, it's pretty damn good amp here. Pretty damn good amp here. You know. Pretty good damn amp here. You know, comes with everything. It's brand new, as you can see. Still in the box. They're pretty good amps. Pretty damn good amps. It's a 2,000 watt audiopipe. You know, pretty damn good. Yeah. Trying to get rid of all this shit, you know. I'm not asking to arm and leg for nothing. You can reach me at 731-616-4324 or 731-226-8662. And I can You know, better put your own game on how the shit sound and everything like that. Like I said, once again, got car alarms. It's a gryphon, you know, car alarm system. There's two-way keypad. You know, you can also add auto start, you know. So there it is. Oh, one more thing. I got one more thing. This is a headlight. These for you guys who, you know, for you niggas around old school Chevys, you know, 85 below, you know, 80 through 85. You know, I got the transitional headlights. You know, they say you can't ride HIDs. Shit, they are a lie, goddammit. I got the transitional headlights, and so you can, you know, put whatever the fuck you want in there, whatever type of bulb you want in there. You know, the H4 headlamps, you know. This how you convert your shit, you know. Step your game up. Pull your shit out right. Fuck Silver Star, you know. Go HID. You know, fuck putting them blue lenses in your shit. God damn it, do it the right way. Convert your shit and step your game up with HIDs. And hell, if I can find the HID kit out, I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. You know, check it out. This is 6x5 inch Jensen double den. I think model 99002. You know, comes with remote, you know, pretty nice. Guess about the best one Jensen made. Comes with navigational with a GPS and TV and DVD player, you know, and does all kind of more shit. But this is what I'm showing you. I'm gonna show you the HID kit. You know, go your balances. You know, for the old school rides, you step your game up. Get your balances. You know, I got the halo headlight set, you know, with the HID kit. If I can get this up out of here, I can show you. Shit. Yeah. There we go. You know, your HID bulbs. If you can see that, you know. It's that 55 watt, you know. I think that 12K. You can get them in all sorts of colors and flavors. You know. Comes with the high beam, low beam relay. You need that on, you know, on the old school. But as you see, like I say, step your game up. Get the HID kit. Get the halo. You know what I'm saying? I have 2 sets of them. You know, 'cause I got the halo. You know, for to both of my cars. You know, I got to do it. Alarm system. You know, but trying to get rid of this shit right now. Give me a call, 731-226-8662. We can work out a deal on just about everything. You know. I know somebody's getting ready for the summer, so just holler at me.